most interested related with our country. As feel very proud to be an Indian, we must discuss about that India or our country. So today's date, our India or its condition, as our boundary area is related with that Pakistan, China, Myanmar, even Afghanistan, even coastal area is also there. A large coastal area is there. So many amenities or so many facilities or so many large land area are available for our India. But if we go for next related with our position, real fact of our India, our real position or our actual position in our country or in our comparing that word here, if we consider that all other countries comparing its development or that improvement in each area, that our India belongs to developing country. Here as compared to other, that America is there, China is there, Russia is there, all these are developed country where that our India belongs to developing country, and definitely some reasons are there because their relation related with another topic why our India is in the developing condition, that we want to discuss that developing country where another countries are also present there, but our India, if we consider that, what are the basic we can say that key factor which are in our favor in our India. So simply first one, it is very important that unity in diversity. As we know here in our India, so many different religions are there, so many different castes are there, languages are there, we follow different culture are there, but even though here we follow one, that is India simply. And as we go for a next topic, next point, we will come to know how that our India is united together. Next, first one, that is a foreign policy. If we compare last days before 19th century or in 19th century, here as we discussed that in last lecture, I think here no one country was trying to approach our country even for friendship, even for market purpose. But here is as soon as we reach or enter in 20th century, they come to know that India is a very large country and very, very important. So they approach to us. As sir told last time, first American president Bill Clinton, who was first in president who visited our India, and if we compare that foreign policy, definitely at this moment our Indian country on international market or platform here we are very strong, and that whole credit goes to definitely that Congress party, especially that first Prime Minister who are, I think, Manmohan Singh, who was one of the who is a economist who improve our economical area. And after that here second credit we have to give to our that current Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी. As we know, definitely हम जब बात करते हैं वहाँ पे बात करने की, हम कुछ काम करते हैं लेकिन उसे एक्सप्रेस करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है. तो वो जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपने मनमोहन सिंह थे, डेफिनेटली उनका काम एक नंबर था इकोनॉमिकल एरिया में. प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी भी काम कर रहे, लेकिन वो भी उनके एरिया में परफेक्ट काम कर रहे, लेकिन उनका जो एक्सप्रेस करने का जो तरीका है, जैसे हम कहते हैं वहाँ पे बोलने वाले की मिट्टी भी बिकती है, बोलने वाले की हवा भी बिकती है, वैसे काम वहाँ पे अभी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी कर रहे हैं. तो हियर एट दिस मोमेंट वी कैन से आवर इंडियन country, simply we can say that our foreign policy is very, very strong. We can take an example of that Russia and Ukraine, that war. In between that, our students were there who stuck in that war. So only because of our strong policy towards that foreign policy, here all the students get released. So we can very strongly recommend this point, foreign policy of our India. It is very key point for our India. Then next, it is very, very important. As we last time Tide sir explained a lot of point related with that equality, democracy. Definitely it is part of this constitution, and as we know that constitution is very, very important in our India. We can say our India is ruling only because of this constitution. All this constitution, there are number of articles, fundamental rights are there, fundamental particles are there, fundamental rights are, fundamental duties are there, and all these fundamental duty, whatever that rights are there, that are coming from different countries. And all these constitution, we can say it is the first largest written constitution overall in the world. So this constitution related with that, as we know, that was drafted by our Dr. Baba Ambedkar. Committee was there. I think Rajendra Prasad was included in that year. So that constitution is play very important role in our India. So simply that constitution, we can say, we are using that constitution and we are following that constitution. So our India is running very, very softly or nicely without any object or any barrier. Next one, that history of India. It is very, very golden era. If we compare our history or another that Western history, our Indian history was very, very, we can say it is very important, as a number of reformer, we can say, that may be political, that may be social. You can see here Dr. Baba Ambedkar is there, Jyotiba Phule is there, Radhabai Nauroji is there, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, Jyotiba Savitribai Phule is there, Lokmanya Tikle is there, Mother Teresa is there. All these social reformer, even that political reformer, they plays their role in their particular that respective area. So that social reformer was a very key point, or that very important in our Indian history, who plays very important role in our society to improve our society. Even that we can go for that Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, who opened the education system for all, even that man as well as for woman. If you go for Dr. Baba Ambedkar, who wrote that constitution and who actually in a real, who gave a right to our education to get each and every person in our India. And here Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, actually he was one of the main person behind that reservation, I think. So that reservation that comes from the Shahu Maharaj, I will explain that point later related to that reservation or another point. So these are the social reformer who worked in our history of India. Actually, it was a very, very golden era in our country. Indian culture, as we know, even if you go in eastern part, northern part, southern part, or east, that western part, here a number of different culture we are following. A number of different, we can say, dance are there, languages are there, and even that a different language, we can say, different area, different people. So all this culture we are following, we can say simply, but it is related with that particular area. So but depending on that area, but we are following all this culture, and this culture unite us being India. Then next, all this we can say it is a key point, or it is an advantage for our India. But here we can go for that problems. Definitely we are facing some problems in India. Actual fact is different. Real fact is different. Definitely we are saying that India is our country. I feel very proud to be an Indian. But in actual, is it a real fact? Is it our Indian is a great country? Regarding next point that I want to explain here. So first I want to explain, last time when we discuss in debate or in that discussion, that corruption point, that corruption, it is very, very, we can say, a big point or big problem in our India. Even including us, we are the part of this corruption. Without corruption, there is nothing. We can't do anything. Even in any office, if you want to do any work, then you have to go through that money, that corruption. So we can experience, but we can't express it. So here corruption is one of the important problem here, which retard or which stop that our country becoming a developed country. Second, that Naxalism. As we know that Naxalism is one of the area where that few people, some peoples, which are trying to make their own area, own rights, own government. They oppose actually our government. Their requirement is different, but they are fighting for their own right. But that area, but that way to fight is different. It is wrong. So simply that Naxalism is one of the red terror. Here we are facing that problem. Then next, malnutrition. That malnutrition, as we know, what is reason behind that malnutrition? That point will come to simply that overpopulation. That point will come here next. Overpopulation, it is very, very big problem in our India. Definitely manpower will increase, but if we go for that population, comparing all over India, only India and China, only both countries are simply comprises only about 80% population. वर्ल्ड के कंपेयर में 80% पॉपुलेशन ये दो कंट्री में है. सो पॉपुलेशन होने के साथ साथ में कंपेयर करते हैं, हम चाइना में और इंडिया में कंपेयर करते हैं, हम ये बात हमें एक्सेप्ट करनी होगी कि चाइना हमारे इंडिया से बहुत आगे है, ये फैक्ट है। लेकिन हम इंडिया की बात करते, ठीक है इंडिया तो हमारा ग्रेट ही है, लेकिन जब हम पॉपुलेशन के कंपेयर में जाते हैं तो हमारा इंडिया आगे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे पास में मैन पावर ज़्यादा है, हमारे पास में स्किल भी है, हमारे पास में नॉलेज भी है। हर एक कंट्री में हमारा इंडियन वहाँ पे काम करता है, जो हम आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। माल न्यूट्रिशन, एंड दैट माल न्यूट्रिशन why this malnutrition happen due to only, we can say, due to the starvation, we can say, due to the lack of vitamin, whatever that lack of content, whatever that requirement for body, it is not getting by this one, and that results into the malnutrition. The next, overpopulation, as I explained earlier, that overpopulation, definitely overpopulation results into the lack in unemployment. We can say that as we compare that artificial intelligence, that will again affect down this condition, that overpopulation, so many people will become unemployment, so that results into the poverty, you can say, and that poverty again results into the malnutrition, or that we can say that उन्हें जो वो पॉइंट है, जिन्हें वो एजुकेशन चाहिए, उनको जो स्टैंडर्ड मिलना चाहिए वो स्टैंडर्ड नहीं मिलेगा, so that will deprive from that education or that food, so that overpopulation is very very big problem. Then that scam, it is very important point which is behind to that, as we explained, that developing country to convert into developed country. Here a number of scams are there listed here. Some scam, first that Indian coal scam, कोयला घोटाला, डायरेक्टली नहीं लेकिन इनडायरेक्टली मनमोहन सिंह का नाम वहां पे आया था। कोल माइन, कोल ऑक्सीजन, 2G स्पेक्ट्रम, that was related with South Pan Raja, work board, then Commonwealth game scam, I think it is related with that Suresh Kalmadi. Then next Telgi scam, you know very well Telgi, related to the scam. Then the Satyam scam, then Harshad Mehta, it is very very bigger one. Then fodder scam, I think it is related with Lalu Prasad Yadav. Then next Hawala scam, and last one Bopur scam. We are not interested to discuss about that who was the responsible behind this scam, but that number, if we go for that number, then we can't imagine, we can't even calculate that number, how many money, how many wealth we have lost in this scam. So definitely this wealth, as we say, it is the reason behind that this situation, this country. Then next important point I want to explain, it is fact, you accept it or not, but it is fact. Casteism is a very very important, and it is a point which is behind, we are not following our India, our Indian rule, or our that patriotism that we have to follow. Here I have posted here two. First one, that special Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Personally I am follower of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, but what we are seeing here, those people who are following Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, themselves they have to introspect, are they following that point which are given by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? Myself, we have to introspect, मुझे ये सोचना चाहिए क्या मैं छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, उनके विचार को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। हमें पता है हर एक कास्ट में, हर एक रिलीजन में एक्सेप्शन होते हैं, हर एक कास्ट में कोई रिलीजन बड़ा नहीं, कोई रिलीजन छोटा नहीं है, लेकिन हम ये बात करते हैं सबको वहाँ पे राइट है अपने कास्ट को, अपने रिलीजन को आगे लेके जाने को, इंस्पायर करने को, वहां पे प्रोग्रेस करने को। बट हमें जब अपने धर्म को आगे बढ़ाना है तो दूसरे धर्म को कभी वहां पे पीछे नहीं दिखाना है या उसे टोकना नहीं है। आप कंपेयर मत करो दूसरे धर्म से कि ये धर्म में ऐसा हो रहा है, हमारे धर्म में क्या है वो बताओ। सो दैट कास्टिझम इज व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट, दैट आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन दिस पॉइंट हियर। दॅट वन इज, मला संविधान लिहिताना जास्त कष्ट पडले नाही, कारण माझ्या डोळ्यासमोर छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचे स्वराज्य उभे होते। Was it possible to write that constitution in Mughal era? अगर मुगल ईरा अगर होता, वहां पे मुगलों का अगर राज होता, क्या वहां पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन काम करता? वहां पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखने का काम ही नहीं होता, वहां पे उनको वहां पे राइट ही नहीं मिलते, क्योंकि वहां पे वो डिक्टेटरशिप थी, वहां पे हुकुमशाही थी। तो वहां पे पहले स्वराज मिला होगा, स्वराज के बसन दे वर्क इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव एरिया। Firstly, I want to explain here Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj. Is it possible to go abroad to get that higher education without help of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj? I am relatively explaining about that Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar went in abroad for education, helping by this one, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj. It is fact. Okay, beyond that, here, that person who work in education area, we know that Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, who opened the education system for all, even that man, even that woman, and that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. No need to explain here their work. अभी ये जो है ना, हम कहेंगे वहां पे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज बिलोंग टू मराठा, that Jyotiba Phule belong to Mali, छत्रपति शाहू महाराज अगेन मराठा, डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर बिलोंग टू बुद्धिज्म. ये हमने बनाया है, ये हमारे मन में हमारी सोच है, हमने बनाया है. हम यहाँ पे कभी ये सोचते नहीं कि हम इंडियन है. तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम है, हम क्रिएट करते हैं, हम इसे इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं, हम उसे बढ़ा रहे हैं. तो प्रॉब्लम हमसे स्टार्ट होती है. जब हम ये सोचना बंद करेंगे, जब हम दूसरे रिलीजन को टोकना बंद करेंगे, तब आपका रिलीजन बड़ा होगा. दूसरे को टोकने से आपका रिलीजन बड़ा नहीं होगा. सो वी हैव टू अवॉइड दिस कास्टिज्म फर्स्ट, देन वी विल गो फॉर दैट पॉइंट टू बिकम अ डेवलप्ड कंट्री. Then and then it is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. So it is a fact. We have to fight against this one. If we follow this one, then definitely we will come. If that day will come, that day we will become a great Indian, or our country will become very developed country. That's it. Thank you.